Welcome to Flash English, your English channel where you learn fast and easy. Today you'll learn 30 external body parts in English. Stay until the end and test your memory. Share this video with a friend, like if you enjoy learning English, and subscribe for more. Let's start. Head.
Head is the top part of the body.
Head.
Head. Head.
Hair.
Hair is the strands growing on the head.
Hair.
Hair. Hair.
Forehead.
Forehead is the area above the eyes.
Forehead.
Forehead. Forehead.
Eye.
Eye is the organ used for seeing.
Eye.
Eye. Eye.
Eyebrow.
Eyebrow is the strip of hair above the eye.
Eyebrow.
Eyebrow. Eyebrow.
Eyelash.
Eyelash is the small hairs on the eyelid.
Eyelash.
Eyelash. Eyelash.
Ear.
Ear is the organ used for hearing.
Ear.
Ear. Ear.
Nose.
Nose is the organ used for smelling.
Nose.
Nose. Nose.
Cheek.
Cheek is the side of the face below the eye.
Cheek.
Cheek. Cheek.
Mouth.
Mouth is the opening used for eating and speaking.
Mouth.
Mouth. Mouth.
Lip.
Lip is the soft edge around the mouth.
Lip.
Lip. Lip.
Tooth.
Tooth is the hard structure used for chewing.
Tooth.
Tooth. Tooth.
Tongue.
Tongue is the muscle used for tasting and speaking.
Tongue.
Tongue. Tongue.
Chin.
Chin is the lower part of the face.
Chin.
Chin. Chin.
Neck.
Neck is the part connecting the head to the body.
Neck.
Neck. Neck.
Shoulder.
Shoulder is the joint connecting the arm to the body.
Shoulder.
Shoulder. Shoulder.
Arm.
Arm is the upper limb of the body.
Arm.
Arm. Arm.
Elbow.
Elbow is the joint in the middle of the arm.
Elbow.
Elbow. Elbow.
Hand.
Hand is the body part used for holding things.
Hand.
Hand. Hand.
Finger.
Finger is one of the 5 parts of the hand.
Finger.
Finger. Finger.
Thumb.
Thumb is the short, thick finger.
Thumb.
Thumb. Thumb.
Chest.
Chest is the front upper part of the body.
Chest.
Chest. Chest.
Waist.
Waist is the narrow middle part of the body.
Waist.
Waist. Waist.
Hip.
Hip is the side of the lower body.
Hip.
Hip. Hip.
Leg.
Leg is the lower limb used for walking.
Leg.
Leg. Leg.
Knee.
Knee is the joint in the middle of the leg.
Me.
Knee. Knee.
Ankle.
Ankle is the joint between the leg and the foot.
Ankle.
Ankle. Ankle.
Foot.
Foot is the body part used for standing and walking.
Foot.
Foot. Foot.
Toe.
Toe is one of the 5 parts of the foot.
Toe.
Toe. Toe.
Heel.
Heel is the back part of the foot.
Heel.
Heel. Heel.
Thanks for watching. Like this video, hit the hype button, subscribe for more. See you in the next video.